Students, in my last video, I told you about how Evelyn understands when someone asks her something. Now, when she was asked about music, that how she understands music, how she learn music, then she explained it pours in through every part of my body. As you know, she feels music in all parts of her body. It pours means it goes inside every part. The music goes inside every part of her body. And she tells it tingles in the skin, in cheekbones, and even in hair. Okay, she tells that the music gets inside her skin, her cheekbones, and even in her hair also. Means no any part of her body is unknown about music. Means in all parts of her body she can feel the music. And when she plays the xylophone, as you know, I have told you, it's musical instrument. She can sense the sound passing up the stick into her fingertips. Okay, when she plays xylophone, the sticks, when she touches the stick, she catches the sticks and plays xylophone. She feels that music, the sound of music, is passing up the stick into her fingertips. From the sticks, the sound is coming into her fingertips because we catch anything with the help of our fingertips. So that time through a stick she feels the music in her fingertips also. By leaning over the drum, she can feel the resonance flowing into her body. When she plays drums and she lean over the drums, she can feel the resonance flowing into her body. Resonance means जो आवाज गूंजती है, जब vibration of the music she can feel into her body. And while performing on the wooden platform, she removes her shoes also, so that the vibration can pass through her bare feet and up her legs. Okay, she removes her shoes because she thinks the vibration will pass through her bare feet. जो उसके नंगे पैर हैं, the vibration will enter from these bare feet and up her legs and the whole body. Now, it's not a surprise if Evelyn delights her audience. As you know, her performance is effortless. So, very beautifully, she plays music, she gives her performance. So, the audience get delight. Okay, become happy. The audience become happy when she gives her performance. In 1991, she was presented with the Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year award. Okay, there is a musical society called Royal Philharmonic Society, and it gives a very prestigious award, and the name of the award is Soloist of the Year. And Evelyn was given this award in 1991. There is also a master percussionist, James Blade. Okay, there is one more percussionist and his name is James Blades. He says these lines for Evelyn. God may have taken her hearing, but he has given her back something extraordinary. What we hear, she feels far more deeply than any of us. I have explained these lines in the starting of the chapter. As you know, it is the introduction of the chapter that God may have taken her hearing, but He has given her back something extraordinary. What we hear, she feels far more deeply than any of us. And that is why she expresses music so beautifully, because she senses the music, she feels the music, she understands the music, and that's why she expresses music so beautifully. Okay, that is the only reason, because she feels it. If we feel something, we can express it beautifully, and that's why, because she understands it, she feels it, that's why she expresses music beautifully. Evelyn is very workaholic. Workaholic means all the time she wants to do work and work and work. And she confesses, she admits it, that she is something a workaholic. Means she always wants to do work. I have just got to work after often harder than classical musicians. She also admits that yes, most of the time I want to do work and I have to work harder than classical musicians. Means whoever the other classical musicians are, she works harder than these musicians. But the rewards are enormous. But she gets the rewards also for her hard work. No, from everywhere she gets the rewards for her hard work and her devotion for music. Apart from regular concerts, Evelyn also gives free concerts in prisons and hospitals. As you know, she has hectic international schedule. Still, she gives free concerts. Concerts mean music program in prisons and hospitals. Prisons means jail. So she gives free concerts, free performances in prisons as well as in hospitals. She doesn't charge for her performance in prisons and hospitals. She also gives high priority to classes for young musicians. Okay, because she wants to teach music to more and more people. That's why for youngsters she gives the priority to the classes for young musicians. Who are young musicians, she give priority to their classes. Anne Recklin of the Beethoven Fund for Deaf Children says, as I have told you, there become institution for disabled child. So one of the musician who takes away Beethoven Fund for Deaf Children. It is an institution for deaf children, and the head of this, Anne Richland, he says about Evelyn, she is a shining inspiration for deaf children. They see that there is nowhere that they cannot go. Okay, of course, because she is so prestigious, she is so successful, and she doesn't hear. Okay, so it is an inspiration, shining inspiration for the deaf children, because seeing her that although she is deaf, she is so successful, they can also be inspired that if she can go at the summit of the music, we can also reach the place we want to go. Okay, there is no place where the deaf children cannot go, but the hard work and firm determination is compulsory to reach anywhere. Evelyn Glennie has already accomplished more than most people twice her age. Okay, she had achieved so much, she has completed so much as more than most people cannot get in twice her age. ओके, 2 बार जन्म लेके भी लोग इतना अचीव नहीं कर सकते हैं what she has already achieved. She has brought percussion to the front of orchestra. Earlier, drum was not part of orchestra, but she brought it forward to the front of orchestra. Okay, drum playing can also be very attractive. She brought it in front of the orchestra and demonstrated that it can be very moving. Okay, she played drum so beautifully that people started to understand that it's also can be very moving, very touching. She has given inspiration to those who are handicapped. Of course, the person who are handicapped means having some physical disability. They can be inspired to see Evelyn. She is a shining inspiration, as you know, and Rachelin had said. So, of course, she is inspiration to those who are handicapped. They can inspire seeing Evelyn that if she can do, we can also do. People who look to her say, if she can do it, I can. Okay, the people who see Evelyn, they always say, if she can do it, then I can also do it. And not the least, she has given enormous pleasures to millions. And of course, she has given enormous pleasure means too much happiness to millions of people around the world. Thank you. This chapter is over.